Today we are refinishing this oil finished cherry island top and converting it to a Varnique finish using a easy product, quick application available on the site. The first step we're going to do to convert this oil finish to varnish finish is a light sanding. I'm using a vibrating sander with 400 grit sandpaper, just to loosen it up, roughen it up just a little bit. Wipe it dry, get it nice and clean, apply our simple varnish. Lightly sand the edges as well. Lightly wipe the surface off with a clean cloth. Get it nice and clean before finishing. Okay, the product we're using today for the refinishing is a Varnique Easy Do. I will zoom in on the product for you there. It's food safe for food contact surfaces, protects in one easy step. You just brush it on. It's basically safe stuff. I highly recommend you get it. It's not cheap, but honestly, you get what you pay for. So you can pick it up there, and it's in stock. They give you free shipping too. And to apply it, we're going to do a few simple steps. I always use a pair of these disposable latex gloves. Keeps your hands clean and dry. It's fast, it's easy, quick cleanup. When you open this up, there's no need to shake it. You don't want to get air bubbles in the product. Just give it a little stir with the brush and you're good to go. It's thick stuff, kind of like a gelatin. But like I said, food safe for contact surfaces, non-toxic, that's what you're looking for. We're going to start in the middle and work our way out, as well as apply some of the sealer. I'm going to put a good amount of it right down the middle, and then we're going to spread it out with the larger brush. It's not put on real thick, it's just to preserve and protect, keep out the humidity and the moisture, kids and markers, and everyday use. This is what you need right here to preserve your butcher block. Okay, I got a nice amount of it here for the middle. I'm going to switch over the large brush and just make long strokes back and forth. Just like this. I'm going to zoom in on that for you. You can see it's already looking pretty good. Brush strokes should go with the wood grain. You want to follow the wood grain and spread it out nice and thin, nice and even. Nice, long, even strokes with the wood grain. Pay special attention around the edges so as to not have any overruns or drips. And that's it. The finished Varnique Easy Do seal looks pretty good on this cherry. Check it out. Here's a close-up. Wow. ChefDepot.com.